If you like bread, then you're going to love brioche, but this isn't any run-of-the-mill brioche because today we're subbing in the butter for something a little bit more extravagant: beef dripping. Place the bread flour, sugar, salt, dried yeast, milk and eggs into a standing mixer. Use a dough hook and work the dough for 10 minutes to bring everything together until soft and elastic. Grab your beef dripping, you can buy it in or save it from your latest beef roast. Gradually add that beef dripping to the dough and kneading all the time until all the fat has been mixed into the dough and it looks soft and stretchy. Transfer the dough to a bowl and cover and leave to prove until doubled in size like this. Now flour everything, scoop out the dough and knock it back to its original size. Then cut it into pieces and shape each one into a neat little ball like so. Then use the balls in a loaf tin or individual brioche molds and leave them to prove until doubled in size again. They should easily reach the top of the tin. Then bake them at 190 degrees C for 30 to 35 minutes for a loaf or 20 minutes for the little rolls until they're a deep, rich golden brown. And that's it, a classic enriched bread taken up a notch or two with the addition of delicious beef dripping. Great on its own or topped with a little something that you fancy. Enjoy this brioche because it's a rare treat. Make it, bake it, and don't forget to like and follow.